Hello and welcome to Wednesday. We've got another video for you today, another story, and we've also got some crafts for you to do a bit later on. So today we are looking at the story of the two sons, or the story sometimes known as the Prodigal Son, or sometimes it's known as the Lost Son. So let's listen to the story. Jesus told a story about a father who had two sons. The father was pretty wealthy, and the youngest son started to dream what he might do with the old man's money if he could get his hands on it.
My dad's loaded. If I could just get some of his money now, I'd buy a sports car or an Xbox, go travelling around the world. I could do anything. But instead, I'm stuck here at home.
So the youngest son decided he would ask his dad to give him his share of the money right now.
Dad, please, can I have my share of all your money now? Can't wait until you die to get all the money. I need it now, while I'm still young to go out and enjoy it.
But I don't want you to go. I want you to stay here and help me with jobs around the house.
But there's so much more I want to do with my life.
Oh, very well then. Divided up everything he owned. He sold half of it and gave the money to his youngest son.
Woohoo! Hollywood, here I come.
And the youngest son went off to a faraway city and spent all the money quickly and lavishly.
Woohoo! Hey everyone, drinks are on me.
But then a famine struck the land. There was no more food to be had anywhere, and what food there was got more and more expensive.
Hey, no more drinks anymore.
Eventually, the son found that all his money had gone, and he couldn't even afford to buy a Happy Meal.
Ooh, I'm hungry.
In the end, the son found a job feeding pigs. He had to take all the rotten vegetables he could find and feed it to the pigs.
Ooh, you smell.
Not a very nice job, but he soon was so hungry he even considered eating some of the pigs' rotten vegetables. Except that he'd probably lose his job if he did.
Oh, I'm so hungry. I'm tired of all the working. Even my dad's servant have a better life than this. I know. I'll go back home, be a servant for my dad. At least I'll be fed well.
And that's when the son came to his senses.
I know. I'll go to Dad and I'll say, "Sorry, Dad. I'm sorry that I took all your money and wasted it. And I'm sorry for all those things I said about you and about God. Will you let me work for you as your servant?"
The son walked a long way home, until eventually he saw his dad's house in the distance. On the roof of the house, his dad was watching and waiting in hope that one day his son would return home. Who's that coming down the road? It looks a lot like... Can it be? No, it can't be. Yes, it is. His dad climbed down from the roof and went running down the drive and then out onto the road and ran to meet his son coming towards him. My boy, my boy.
Sorry, Dad. I'm sorry that I took all your money and wasted it. And I'm sorry for all those things I said about you and God. Will you let me work for your servant?
But his dad wasn't listening. He wiped his eyes clear of tears and then shouted back to the house, "Hurry! Get some clean clothes and a new pair of trainers. And let's order in the biggest meal we can, because tonight we are going to celebrate." Meanwhile, out on the field doing some of his chores, the older brother wondered what all the commotion was
Dad,
about.
what's all the commotion about?
"It's your brother! He's come home and we're going to have a party to celebrate!"
What? Oh no, you're not. I've been working hard all this time while that little money grabber's been off in Hollywood, spending all your money. And now he's back. You accept me to celebrate because he's home.
"But please, you have to come and celebrate with us, because your brother, who I thought was dead, is alive. He was lost, and now we've found him." That was great, wasn't it? That's the story of the two sons, and Noah, being the youngest son, is well aware of how easy it is to spend his father's money. So Noah is going to teach us another craft, because at this time of isolation we can be lacking hugs, and so we're going to make our very own hug today, and Noah is going to show you how to do it. So watch this.
Huggy! Welcome to today's creation. So what you will need some any colour strip of paper, either some glue or a double-sided tape, some scissors, pen if you need one, some googly eyes if you have some, a circle, a round pillar thingy that's about this size, a piece of paper, a few bits of big pieces of paper, and that's all you need. The first thing you would like to do is you would like to draw around your hand. You can have a bit of help with someone drawing around your hand for you. Now once you've drawn your hand, you're going to fold the piece of paper in half. So once you've folded it in half, you're going to cut out your hand, but not this one. Don't cut out your hand. That'll be a bit silly. You might want to add out to heavy because, oh, this is heavy. So as we've cut, because as soon as we cut it in half, we unfold it. Ta-da! We have 2 hands.
Next.
After you've cut your hands out that fit me perfectly, you will need another sheet of paper, and what you would like to do is get your circle. You want to draw around it. There we go. And then you want to cut your circle out. And still, you might want to add up to help you. I'm going to use googly eyes, but you can always use your own eyes, which you can draw. Now on your circle, which will technically be a face, I'd rather use this side because it doesn't have the outline. You want to stick your googly eyes on with either some of this or this. So let's stick these on. Already a bit sticky. Or do you peel these off?
Sure.
So what you're going to do is, now we've figured out they don't have some tape already on them, you're going to stick them on. I think double-sized tape is a bit stronger, so I recommend using this. And then you're going to draw the rest of the face just because it'll be a lot easier. Ta-da! Now with your little sheet of paper, you can write either a message, Bible verse, a prayer. So this is what I've written. See what great love the Father has lavished on us, that we should be called children of God. From John 3:10. So we're going to assemble our craft. So we're going to get your little prayer or message. You're going to stick that on there. In the middle. Because that's quite important. Because it's important. I stuck my prayer on, finally, and we're gonna fold our two bits together, just like so. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put some glue on each side of there, on the back. So you're gonna lay it straight down, so like that. And you're going to stick some hands on, so gluey shenanigan power thingy. There we go, that should be gluey now. We put that on there. Then we're going to put the other one there. Ta-da! Oh, the hands are cow shaped. So we're going to stick some glue on the front and then we're going to put our face on. So gluey opossums. And then we're going to put our face on. So now it's like this. So God loves you. So you've got your brand new hug. How cool is that? Dad! That's a great craft. That's a great craft.
That's a great craft. Well done, Noah. Fantastic. Thanks for showing everybody that. See if you can make your own hug at home, just to make you feel a bit better, feel a bit loved during this time of isolation. Well done, Noah. Now, if you want to, you can download our activity sheet for today. It's just a colouring sheet with a maze on there. You can help the lost son find his way home again. That's on our Facebook page at St George's URC Morpeth, so have a go at downloading that today. Have a go at colouring in, make it nice and neat. Have a go at making a hug as well, and if you want to send us a picture of the hugs that you make, that would be great. And we shall see you again on Saturday.
Goodbye.
Bye.